Welcome to this introduction video on Python for data science. My name is Raghunathan Rangaswamy and I am a professor in the Department of Chemical Engineering at IIT Madras. Since this course is about a tool for data science, let us first think about what data science actually means. If one were to describe data science succinctly, one could say data science is a science of deriving insights from data using multiple techniques including statistics, machine learning and other techniques that people can use. And all of this excitement about data science is because ideas from data science can be used by industries to make better decisions, be it from a commercial viewpoint or from an environmental viewpoint and so on. And data science is also very relevant in sciences as these techniques can be used to test newer theories, models and so on. So, there is a lot of excitement about data science, while the theory of data science itself is very important. Without that, there is nothing you can do. The final implementation of these solutions are in some programming platform, and the programming platform in which data science is practiced is also equally important, and this course is basically on teaching you one programming platform which is very popular nowadays. So, let us look at what are the trends in terms of programming platforms for data science. A recent survey shows that most Indian data scientists, and of course, this is also true largely for people all over the world, prefer open source tools. About 89% of the respondents prefer open source tools over paid and custom made tools. And when you look at these tools, if you look at across the globe and see what is the tool or the programming platform which is most used, then you will notice that about 57% of the respondents said Python is the tool that they use. So, it looks like all over the world Python is the leading tool or programming platform that is being used, and pretty much similar things can be seen in India, where Python is used by 44% of the people in that survey, and R is a close second to Python in India, and compared to the globe where the gap is a lot more. It looks like in India both Python and R are preferred. However, Python has taken a lead and most people use Python as a programming platform. So, this course is going to teach you basics of Python and how to use Python for solving some data science problems. So, the reasons why we have chosen Python, we talked about some of those in the previous slide, but on top of it we also believe it is a easy tool to learn. It is a very short learning curve and the syntax is easy to understand. And the other advantage of Python is that there are lots of inbuilt libraries for data science, machine learning, deep learning, AI and so on. So, once you learn Python, then there is a whole suite of modules that you can use to solve problems that are of relevance. There is tremendous community support for this because it is an open source tool. Number of people contribute newer and newer algorithms, and you can learn those, you can use those, and there are also platforms where you can go ask questions and then get answers and get better as you practice more and more. And there is also well structured documentation for Python. It integrates well with cloud platforms, and most importantly, from this graphic on the right side of the screen, you can see that it is less likely to become obsolete in the immediate future. When people were asked what tool will still be very relevant 5 years down the line, most people seem to pick Python as a tool that is going to be there for the long time. So, the basic outline of this course is the following. It is a short 4-week course structured to get you quickly onto Python and then solve some problems in data science using Python, so that you get the first level understanding and ability to work with Python and data science. In week 1 we will cover Python basics. In week 2 we will cover data structures, NumPy and so on. Week 3 will be pandas, data frames, visualization, and week 4 we will put all of this together and teach you a couple of data science case studies on how you can solve those case studies using Python. So, I hope you find this course useful and gives you a first good look at Python and takes you all the way up to solving some simple data science problems in Python. And once you are done with this course, then there are lots of resources for you to start working with Python and more complicated programming in Python and solving more complicated data science problems. Hope you have a wonderful learning experience with this course. Thank you.